Georgia Appeals Court agrees to review ruling allowing Fani Willis to stay on Trump election case. A Georgia Appeals Court on Wednesday agreed to review a lower court ruling allowing Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis to continue to prosecute the election interference case she brought against former President Donald Trump. Trump and some other defendants in the case had tried to get Willis and her office removed from the case, saying her romantic relationship with Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade created a conflict of interest. Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee in March found that no conflict of interest existed that should force Willis off the case, but he granted a request from Trump and the other defendants to seek an appeal of his ruling from the Georgia Court of Appeals. That intermediate appeals court agreed on Wednesday to take up the case. Once it rules, the losing side could ask the Georgia Supreme Court to consider an appeal. Trump's lead attorney in Georgia, Steve Sato, said in an email that the former president looks forward to presenting arguments to the appeals court as to why the case should be dismissed and why Willis should be disqualified for her misconduct in this unjustified, unwarranted political persecution. A spokesperson for Willis declined to comment on the Court of Appeals' decision to take up the matter. The appeals court's decision to consider the case seems likely to cause a delay in a case and further reduce the possibility that it will get to trial before the November general election, when Trump is expected to be the Republican nominee for president. In his order, McAfee said he planned to continue to address other pretrial motions regardless of whether the petition is granted, and even if any subsequent appeal is expedited by the appellate court. But Trump and the others could ask the Court of Appeals to stay the case while the appeal is pending.